Hi everyone, CNXsoft here. In this video I will only show the user interface and go through all settings. I'll make a separate video for Kodi later on. Alright, so we've got the date and time, the weather. You can select your city and there are many options to add multiple cities. You can search. There is a list of most famous countries, most used countries, and you can search by continent, countries, and etc. Okay, and then there is a list of apps. Some are installed, like Sysaxis and games, and some already pre-installed. Google Play Store is pre-installed. Kodi 15.1 Zidoo edition is installed. I check it later. The Explorer is the company's own file explorer, file manager, and you can access the USB drives. Okay, I will show. This one is one hard drive. This one is the NTFS partition. Same hard drive, ext4 partition, and last hard drive, exFAT partition. There is also a FAT32 SD card. So 4 file systems are supported. Only BetaFS is not supported. They also have Samba, but I have not tried. Usually I still use ES File Explorer. There is a web browser, it's just pointing to Chrome. Settings, cleanup is to kill the programs in memory. App lock, it will ask you to input the password, and then you can select some applications you don't want your kids to start for you. So it's like parental lock. About, I have 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage. The firmware version is indicated, and Android 5.1.1. At the bottom here you have some shortcuts. Again, pre-installed, and some that you can install by yourself. The status bar is there, but you can hide it if you don't like it, or you can pull it up if you need it. Okay, let's go in the settings. Okay, that's basically the Android. Wi-Fi 802.11ac worked, and 802.11n worked as well. Performance is acceptable. Bluetooth, I've tried with my phone, my Bluetooth headset, and 6-axis Bluetooth controller, again working well. Ethernet, no problem. And more section, you have some options I have not tried. Okay, in the display you have screen scale. So since my TV is set to underscan, I had to make it to 100%. Output interface, you have HDMI and AV output. I only tried HDMI since most people actually don't use the AV except for audio. Okay, HDMI modes, you've got plenty of options. They all work. But to record the TV I set it to 4K 50 Hz. This is my TV settings on the top right corner. So this part works. Daydream, cast screen, I have not tried it. Alright, let's go through the settings. Audio output. You need to use this if you are going to use audio pass-through. I am using HDMI pass-through. Storage, that's a unified partition, and that's very convenient. At the beginning I had 12.32 GB free space. This one is just the list of apps. It can support multiple users, but since you only have 16 GB, it will be limited. Okay, let's go to language and input and to check the list of languages. Okay, and I'm using a melee remote control right now, a melee air mouse, and it was detected automatically as usual. But the good thing is they won't pop up the soft keyboard when I use it, while others just this annoying soft keyboard, while I already have a keyboard here. Backup, date and time, about device. You'll notice printing is missing. Okay, that's it. One more feature I want to show is to turn off. You have power off, standby, reboot, that all works, and you also have auto power off, so you can set a timer by 30 minutes increments that will automatically power off the device or make it go into standby. Okay, let's power off. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure to check the full review in the description below. Bye bye.